Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your Looker Studio dashboard. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so step number one is open up your dashboard. So go to lookerstudio.google.com and sign into your account. Then from there, basically open the report and dashboard you would like to share. Now, once we've opened that up, we want to go ahead and click on the share button, top right hand corner of the page, and then a little share pop-up is going to appear like so. Now it's going to say share as your Google account. And then from here, we can go ahead and add people and groups. Then we can change if they're a viewer or editor too. So go ahead and add your people and groups here. And also we can check or uncheck notify people. Now I'm going to add my other account here. And then once you add your people you want to go ahead and share, go ahead and click on the send button. And now they're going to get a notification for that and accept. And after you've done that, another little pop-up's going to appear where it's going to show you all the people that has access to your reports. At the moment, only 2 people. Another way what we can do is share as a PDF. So next to the share button, click on the little drop down, go ahead and click on download report, all pages, click on download, and now send that downloaded copy of your report as a static page to your contacts.